fusion markets.
From there, what you've got is alerts, and you've got a bunch of different alerts. So let's just say, for example, I'm looking at, let's use the Australian dollar, and I want to put a ray here, right? And we think, as soon as price passes this point, I'll just make this a straight one for us, makes that a little bit easier. We've got a horizontal line, yeah, perfect. So we're coming to look here and we say, all right, what we think here is once price passes this level, we want to get an indication of what's happened. So what I can do is add in an alert. So I'm going to add in an alert and I'm going to say when the price passes 0.66698, I want to be alerted. So you've got a few different options here. You can go crossing up, which means the price is coming from below and across this blue line, crossing down, which means it's crossed over and then come down, or just crossing. So I'm just going to keep it simple. And as soon as it crosses in some way, shape or form, I want to be alerted. So I'm just going to call this the Aussie USD support cross. Sorry, that resistance cross. Great. And I'm going to set that price at 0.66698. Create. So now you can see I've got a bunch of active alerts here, and when price actually crosses these levels, I'm going to be alerted. And you might be asking yourself, how are you going to get alerted about these? So if I click this cog here and go to the notification settings, there are a few different options for how I'll be alerted. So there'll be a pop-up that's shown on my screen. I can send an email to myself, and that will be my email that I've signed up with TradingView for, and I'll play a sound. There's a bunch of other things that you can do, but for me, I find these to be the most effective ways for me to get those alerts and actually start to make a decision on what I want to do. So we'll just save that and we'll leave those for now.